Hi guys, today is December 23 and we want to cook jollof rice. So we fried our chicken that we're going to use for the jollof rice. I'm going to show you other ingredients that we're going to use. We're going to use ketchup as one of the ingredients and let's show you other ones. We also have the turmeric powder that was made by me. So I'm also going to use that in the ingredients. I'm also going to use soya spice. What remains of our broiler, if you've been following us on our channel, just three pieces remaining. So this is for the big eaters. These birds weigh about 5 point something kg, and that's what we're doing over here. Side the point, so we're also preparing for our next batch of broiler. They are going to come in very soon. These broilers will have to leave because we need more space for our broiler chicken. So the remaining ones are still doing the best they can and they are producing egg everywhere. So let's go back to the video. That's making jollof rice. We're going to cook using the traditional method. This is our pot. We're going to use firewood to cook. The rice have been parboiled, so we're going to do everything we can to make this rice very juicy. This is our parboiled rice. Our rice has been parboiled. And what next do we have? We have power oil. We have tomato paste. We have tomato paste. We have our thyme, dry thyme. We have our curry. We have our nutmeg. We have our seasoning. We have thyme. We have onions. We also have here our chicken stock. The chicken stock of choice is here. We're also gonna put bay leaf is in here. So everything will be ready very soon, guys. Stay tuned, watch and see how we're gonna prepare this whole recipe, the African Nigerian jollof rice. Woohoo! If you've been on this channel, we had reviewed this refrigerator, this deep freezer, the Hisense fridge. So it's still working 1 year after, and this is the chicken we have stored in the fridge. Everything perfectly aligned, all right? If you have followed me on this video up to this point, I would like you to please subscribe, share, so that others can also benefit from this video, and you too can also encourage me to continue shooting more videos so that others can also benefit. On that note, let's see what we're doing here. Time to add the spices.